Started a business because you wanted to have more freedom around your schedule and be more creative and have the chance to innovate and work with new and exciting clients every day. However, now you're finding yourself stuck in your inbox, trying to manage all of the requests coming through, feeling like a hot mess, completely overwhelmed, and not sure how to prioritize effectively. Well, fear not. You are not alone. This is very common, and it just shows that actually your business is growing. You obviously have a great product and people love to work with you. So well done. But now it's really time to take it up a level when it comes to your systems and think about how you can implement a customer service process that's really going to help keep you out of the inbox and focused on those most high priority requests first. So in today's video, I'm going to show you an example of how you can create a customer service and escalation process in ClickUp, but you could do a similar thing in Trello, Asana, other project management softwares using forms features or using other kind of automations with Zapier to bring in this data and start to categorize it for you. So if this is something that you're interested in, I'll just give you a little bit of an intro to me. My name is Claire Whitaker, and I am the founder of Claire Whitaker AIC, otherwise known as Artificially Intelligent Consulting. I have over a decade of experience working at top companies, including Amazon, scaling up products and processes across the globe. Now I help coaches, consultants, and agency owners implement systems that help them to scale to multiple 6 or even 7 figures while creating more freedom in their schedule, because no one wants to spend their life stuck in an inbox, right? So in today's tutorial, we're going to be getting you out of that inbox, and I'm going to be showing you a really simple process that you can implement to help you get away and manage client requests in a much more efficient way. This is something that we had at Amazon and that I've had working with many other startups, and is kind of taken from a developer background, or at least the way that we think about it, but applied in a business setting that's just going to really help you with saving time, prioritizing those key requests, making sure nothing falls down the cracks, and making sure everyone knows what they need to be doing at all times to keep your clients happy. So if you're ready, let's dive on in. Okay, so here we are with another template that has been adapted from one of the ClickUp built-in templates to help you manage customer service. So I think this is a really important process that so often get overlooked, but can be a real game changer in your business. So as you can see here, we have kind of customer service tasks and things that are being worked on by your team. And the idea behind this, if we go to the board view, the idea behind this is when a client has a request, instead of them blowing up everyone's inbox, you create a form that allows them to submit their request and allows them to provide you the detail that they need so it can get assigned to someone who can really help them rather than it just rolling around in an inbox. This is a really great thing to start to train your clients on so that they can get the support they need more quickly and more effectively from your team, while also keeping yours out of your inbox and allowing requests like this not to interrupt the day-to-day so things can move more efficiently. So the way that I like to have this set up is following something that we would use at Amazon. So we would have an open request, so in progress when it's assigned and when someone started working on it. If they need clarification, they've gone back to the client waiting for clarification. They've had the response from the client and they're now still working on it, escalated it. If they can't resolve it and they need support from a senior team member, and then finally resolved. So the way I like to have these set up and the way I like to get these in for my clients is actually using a form. So if you can just send your client this URL and this form, then they can fill it out. So you can just create one of these for yourself. And these fields here, business name, email, they actually map to fields in your intake. So for example, if I go back to the list, you'll see there's different fields here, or if you go into here, there are different fields, and these all kind of map to what's in the intake form. So what we can do is collect the information let's go on the viewing. Collect the information about who a client is, their email, etc. If you have different products or programs that give different levels of service, you can have your plan here. Get them to describe the issue, and then get them to give an impact. So sometimes people will just have questions which can be answered like within a couple of days, and other times things will be business critical. And if something is business critical for your client, like for example, one of the campaigns that you're running has suddenly turned massively unprofitable, or something's broken on a landing page and it's impacting their business, you want to make sure that that gets resolved really quickly. So their client will then be able to fill out this information, and you can use automation in ClickUp to assign SLAs and to assign and notify people when those requests come through. So if your team is regularly using ClickUp or any project management software, so a lot of them have these kind of forms, you can use this to really manage their workload a lot more and make sure that business critical issues are resolved really quickly. And that in turn will just help you with creating a greater experience for a client and all of that. So once someone's filled this out, it will come into the list. It will go, actually, list is in a word order. It will actually go into open. So they'll just come into open. So what you can do is use automation to set up your SLAs and to make sure people are assigned to these tickets. So what you can do is go into automation, and I've done 2 here. So let's have a look at my active automations. So the first one is custom field changes, then due date. So what you can do here, let's have a look at it. So you can have it so when your priority field turns from any to business critical, that means that this needs to be resolved in 1 day, let's say. And then, so that will come as an immediately due task, which helps you to really manage your client workload. Then what you could do is just have it so whenever any task comes in, task created, it gets assigned to someone. So here I have it assigned to me, but it gets assigned to someone, so someone knows that they have to do that. And that just helps people manage those requests. And if you've got them all coming into one person, you can have them manage it. You could just also have like when task created, I need the business thing. But if you have the business version, you could have like different automations. So if a task is created on the enterprise plan, then it goes to one person. If it's on a different plan, it goes to another person. And you can really start to see how you would use those automations. But even if you're not on a business plan with ClickUp, you can use these 2 to really help you kind of manage that workload more. And just having this customer service process in place, which so many people don't bother with, at least initially, they wait until they're huge, but it can just help you to manage your client workload in a much more effective way. It reduces stress because you're not always kind of like in your inbox waiting for someone to message you, and it just will generally help you manage your business more effectively. So I hope you found this useful. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, my name is Claire, as I mentioned. We produce new weekly videos all around kind of productivity tips and project management tips and systems to help you manage and scale your business. So if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. And then if you have any content suggestions or any questions as follow-ups, feel free to reach out. And other than that, have the most wonderful day. Bye.